Hey guys, welcome back to the Mastermind Backyard Barbecue, where I'm going to show you guys how to grill a tri-tip perfectly every single time. My method will be the easiest method you'll ever try, and it all starts with a chimney filled with charcoal. And I'm going to go ahead and show you that it's so easy. I'm going to reuse this charcoal that I had in this grill, and then I'm going to top it off with some Kingsford Blue, some original. And there it is. I got some tumbleweeds under there. And as you see, there's 3 hickory chunks that I'm going to be using in this cook. Now, I went ahead and dumped the coals to create a 2-zone cook. And this is where I'm going to set the bottom vent. And here's the top vent. There it is, guys. I'm going to let this get really nice and hot. And I'm going to add the tri-tip on the indirect side. And this is just seasoned with my Pit Boss seasoning that I absolutely love. And these are prime grade tri-tips. Oh, yeah. There goes the chunks. This is your opportunity to get as much smoke as you can on those tri-tips. And within 15-20 minutes, we're going to reach about 100 degrees internal. And that's what I'm looking for. Just 100 degrees internal. And I'm going to remove these tri-tips and I'm going to stoke the coals just so that we can sear them. And my method calls for 4 minutes of sear on each side. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the damper on the bottom. I'm going to stoke the coals, and then we're going to put the tri-tip on there for 4 minutes aside to get a nice good sear. Four minutes right there. That's it. Be back in 4 minutes. All right, that's been 4 minutes. Let's flip them. Oh, man. All right, catch you guys in 4 more minutes. All right, guys, that's it. I don't know the temperatures inside. These are going to get rested for about 15 minutes, and then we'll cut into them, and that's it. That's all we're doing. Guaranteed to be perfect every single time. All right, guys, it's been 15 minutes, more like 18. And now I'm going to cut into both of these tri-tips just to show you what we got going on inside. Let me slice them in half first. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. And then that's what we got. See that? Beautiful right there. All right. Here's another slice. And that's what we got. Just look how juicy that is, huh, guys? Now, that was one of them. And here's the one that got a better sear. All right, 2 different sizes. This is a little bit bigger. Now I'm gonna cut this, the elbows here, I'm gonna cut it with the elbow, which also means with the grain. As you can see, the strands, they're going the same way. Look at that. And then I'm gonna slice against the grain. Watch this. Get you guys a nice little. Look at that there. Oh yeah. Let's go slice a little bit of this guy here too. Check these out. Now, all we did is a full chimney full of charcoal. We don't care about the heat, temperature. I'm not giving a damn about that. I'm not caring about anything other than up until about 100 degrees. And then 4 minutes of sear as we stoke the coals to get 4 minutes of sear on each side. And that's it. And you end up with this. Look at that. Come on, guys. No fail every single time. This is probably like my 20th tri-tip that I've cooked in this same exact way. And it's worked every single time. Come on, guys. Look at that. All right. Till my next video. See you later. Hey, those hungry folks out there. What do you want?